Hey guys, are you want to buy best Bluetooth aux adapters for cars? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best Bluetooth aux adapters for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now, let's get started. Starting at Joyroom 66 West Bluetooth car adapter. The Joyroom Bluetooth FM transmitter is a smart upgrade for cars without built-in Bluetooth. With Bluetooth 5.4, it ensures fast pairing, stable connections, and auto-resumes music from where you left off. It supports both FM transmission and a UX mode cable included for crystal clear, distortion-free sound. The HiFi bass boost delivers deep, immersive audio, ideal for driving. Designed for convenience and safety, it mounts to your air vent, keeping controls at eye level and minimizing distractions. It also features 3 fast-charging ports: a PD3, OW USB-C, and 2 QC 3.0 USB, capable of charging multiple devices. Simultaneously, the enhanced microphone and CVC 8.0 noise reduction offer clear calls, while Siri Google Assistant support adds hands-free ease. The added LED light helps locate ports at night. All around, it's a versatile, high-performance audio and charging solution for any vehicle. Now our second product is Sonru Bluetooth car adapter. The Sonru Bluetooth 5.30 adapter is a compact yet powerful solution for upgrading your car or home audio system. With Bluetooth 5.3 technology, it offers faster, more stable connections and low-latency HiFi stereo sound. Designed for clearer, hands-free calls, it features a built-in mic with ENC noise reduction, ensuring your voice comes through clearly in noisy environments. Setup is effortless. Just plug into your 3.5mm O port and power via USB. It auto-pairs with your phone and supports dual-device connectivity, letting you switch between music and calls seamlessly. A multifunction button controls volume, track, selection, and calls, while a handy LED light helps locate it at night. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for cars, stereos, and on-the-go use. A smart, stylish, and affordable way to enjoy wireless audio anywhere. Our third product is Joyroom Bluetooth 5.4, a UX car adapter. The Joyroom Bluetooth 5.4 AUX adapter is a reliable and high-performance solution for upgrading your car's audio. Featuring the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology, it ensures faster pairing, a more stable connection, and HiFi stereo sound with minimal quality loss, working up to 100 feet away. For hands-free calling, dual microphones with CVC 8.0 noise reduction deliver crystal clear voice clarity, filtering out road and engine noise. It's easy to use. Just plug into your car's 3.5mm jack and power via USB, and it'll auto-connect to your phone. Supports dual-device pairing for convenience. A multifunction button lets you control music, volume, and calls effortlessly, while LED lighting ensures easy use in low light. Built-in safety features include overheat, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection. FCC, CE, and RoHS certified. This is a safe, smart, and seamless upgrade to your in-car audio experience. Now, number 4. Sonru Bluetooth 5.30 adapter. The Sonru Bluetooth 5.30 adapter is a compact, powerful upgrade for your audio setup. Featuring advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology, it ensures faster, more stable connections with minimal sound quality loss. With CVC 8.0 noise cancellation and high-quality microphones, calls are crystal clear, filtering out background noise and echoes. Its 24-hour battery life makes it ideal for travel, and it even supports charging while in use. You can pair 2 devices simultaneously with a range of up to 33 feet, making it perfect for car stereos, home speakers, headphones, and more. The package includes multiple cables and adapters for wide compatibility, including 3.5mm and RCA options. Easy to use, portable, and backed by responsive customer support. The Sonru Bluetooth receiver is a smart, versatile solution for anyone looking to enjoy wireless audio anytime, anywhere. And our last choice is Kaiy Bluetooth Car Adapter Transform. Your old car or home stereo into a wireless audio system with this Bluetooth 5.40 adapter. Just plug it into the 3.5mm O port and enjoy seamless streaming from Spotify, Apple Music, or podcasts. No more tangled cords. It offers crisp, skip-free HiFi sound, lightning-fast pairing, and a solid 33 feet range. Built-in CVC 8.0 noise reduction, and mic ensure clear hands-free calls, while one-touch controls make track skipping and volume adjustments safe and effortless while driving. With 11 hours of battery life and auto reconnect, it's always ready to go. Use it in your car, old home stereo, wired speakers, or even headphones. Super compact and easy to carry. Setup takes just seconds. Plug, power on, and pair. Whether commuting or road tripping, this adapter makes every journey smoother and more enjoyable. So, what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.